Hello brother and sister, today I will going to give my review for a vessel stubby ratchet screwdriver in here in front of us, which you can turn the lever left or right, and it comes with spare bit. I think the slot don't have any magnet, but it just grabs the bit quite tight, okay, and not wobbling very much. Okay, this is the extra bit for the package, also the flexible shaft from vessel come in the package. Very useful. Where you see in here, you can use the short bit or use the long bit. And this is sticking quite good, not easily fall. You have to pull it. Okay, see, it is very hard to pull. This is the clarity of the handle. Okay, brother and sister, I think that's all my review for a vessel stubby ratchet screwdriver. Thank you for watching this video.